Hello, today I want to show you Flipgrid. Flipgrid is an online-based software that allows students to create presentations and share it with their teachers and with their peers. So once you get to the website flipgrid.com, if you log in, it's going to use your Google ID or credentials. So if you click on the login with Google email, it would immediately log in if you are logged in on your email. If not, you would have to sign up. Now, the way that this website works is that each topic or each different class would have a new grid. So think about new grid as if it were either a classroom on Haiku or as if it's a whole new topic. So as you can see, I have created two already, but I will show you from scratch so that you're able to do it for your own classroom. If you click on new grid, then you're going to select the community type. In this case is going to be a school email domain because the students will use their email to submit the presentation. Now you can give the grid a name here. Let's just call it this one Tech Tuesday Trial. Notice that here now it has created a Flipgrid URL or link. This is the one that you will provide to students so that they can access and record their presentations. You can also erase the one that is given to you, and you could do one that is customized. So Tech Tuesday Trial. I could do that one. So I'm going to keep it for Tech Tuesday Trial. And then I could use the background. Let's select the first one. Right? Once I click Next, now I have to add the domain of the students who are going to use the Flipgrid presentation. Now, domain is anything after the @ symbol. So in the case of students, you're going to add student.auhsd.us. So anybody who has that domain on their email will have access to this Flipgrid as long as you give them the link that we just I retype or rename in the previous section. I always also type the regular auhsd.us in case that I want to show the presentation to teachers. So there's one. Let's go ahead and do the second. There's only one, so let me do the student one again. Okay, it's not reading it. Okay, at student.auhsd.us. Press enter. There you go. Okay, so now I'll press launch my grid. And if I go now to the main menu, you would see that the new grid, it's called Tech Tuesday Trial. And I have here an introduction topic. This will always default. It will be created by default. So if you want to get rid of the introductions, you're going to have to delete it in the actions menu. I'm going to keep it in this case just for you to see it. If you press on introductions, then you will see that there are a few instructions or directions here and a welcoming message. And students will see this and record their presentation. Let me go back to my grids. As you can see, I have 3 now. The one that we just created is the Tech Tuesday Trial. If you press on it, then you can create new topics. So let's say that I do want to get rid of introductions. I'll click here, delete this topic, delete. And now I'll create a new one. So new topic, and I mean the title is open to you. So let's do again tech trial. Okay, let's get started. Then right here I can choose the length of the presentation. Notice that we have several options. I'm going to stick to the 1 and 30 seconds, 1 minute and 30 seconds. And here you can type some instructions. Let's see what we can do. Okay, you have several options. Right here, this fourth menu, the fourth section that you have is you could actually upload any sort of media that would help the students create the presentation. So as you can see here, you could record a video with the instructions of yourself giving the instructions, or an audio of yourself giving the instructions, and you can upload it to this topic in the new grid. Also notice that we can attach a link from a YouTube or a Vimeo link, and that could also help the students create the presentation. You can also attach documents, and I feel that that's all I use so far. So I'm gonna create the topic, so I'm gonna press that. So what this message is telling me is that the new topic that I created in the grid, the Tech Tuesday trial grid, is already available. So if I want students to record their presentations in this topic, then I have to give them the second URL. So I'll press got it. And as you can see, the topic is active. I can share the topic. There are several ways that you can do this. You can just project the flip code. You could post it on Haiku so kids have access to it. Or you can send it on an email to the students. Now that the students have the tech trial link, they'll be able to create their presentation and submit it to you immediately. If I click again to my grids, they're going to notice that I have 3. My grid, I would create a grid per class so that they are organized. So let's imagine that this is one of my periods. And then for each presentation that I would like them to do, that's where I'll add a new topic so that the videos are organized under the same period and then under each respective topic. I hope that this have help you somehow. If we look at my grids, I've already used one for a class for a Gear Up Saturday Academy, but the students were not finished with the presentation. Okay, so in this topic, students are reading the Malcolm X biography, By Any Means Necessary, and they are creating an independent research presentation. So as you can see right here, I only have one student who submitted the video. All right, well, I hope that this helps you get familiarized with Flipgrid. If you have any other questions, you can go ahead and reach me at my email. Thank you for your attention. Have a good day.